Hey, what's up, guys? We're back here in Zombie Army Trilogy. In the place where I bumbled big time. I fell apart. I was standing in that safe room because I'm like, I don't really want to go here. I did find out something very curious, though. Early on in this Forest of Corpses area, there's that guy. It's like a skeleton with a lot of fire, and he brings up the fire dudes. He's not really called a summoner. He's called, I think it's like a fire demon. And summoners are really, I think you can pull off, if you get him in the head, it's a one-shot kill, I think. So I might have some sort of luck here. I don't know. But I have no, God, I have no mines, which would help. This area is just proven to be just a fucking nightmare. I don't like this place at all. Absolutely despise it. But anyway, we gotta get through it at some point. So let's give it a shot. I do think one of the summoners shows up down here. Oh god, no, he's way over. What? Where is he? Can I see him? I can't see him. Son of a bitch, so they change locations. Where is he? God. Oh, there's one. Oh, but I gotta destroy all his little minions first. This is gonna suck ass. Oh, Lord, look at all of them. This is so not cool. I'm already feeling pretty poorly right now. Oh, God. Can I sneak through here? Woohoo! Okay. He's down there now. Is that going to count? Is that going to hit him? Is it going to destroy him? Please, God, say he's down. I know there's more than one. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, shit! Not sure what to do. I'm just running like a little bitch. I can't. How am I supposed to get to that one now? I have no fucking clue. Hey, dude. Ah! I didn't see you. Hey, how about we go back up here? Maybe this is a bad idea. I don't know. I gotta get that summoner. Where the fuck is he? Oh, there he is. Come on, come on. Come on. Hit him in the fucking head. Where'd he go? Did he move? No, he didn't. Got him. Got him, thank God. Oh. Fuck you, bitch. I learned that little trick that you actually can't. Oh, God. Do I have time? I don't even know. I didn't see what was over there. Where is he? Oh, God, he was right there. I heard him screaming, doing his weird noise thingy. Yeah. And yeah. And yeah. And a meh. And a meh. And a meh. Do I hear a chainsaw? Please, God, tell me I don't hear a chainsaw. I do hear a chainsaw. Oh my God. Oh, holy hell. Where is he? We don't want to get trapped, that's for sure. I do hear a chainsaw, though. Checkpoint. Escape the area. Escape the area. What do you mean escape the area? Okay, shotgun I think would be very... Okay, hold on one second. I need a breather. Escape the area. Does this mean like this is the last of it? I hear that chainsaw motherfucker, man, and he's freaking me out. I don't know where he's at. Probably behind these doors, the ones I was talking about. I'm not sure if I know how to escape the area. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Mistake. That was a mistake. They're so creepy. And they run. It's not like they walk. Well, at least... Hopefully there's not two of them. Please say there's not two of them. Get away from him. Well, I seem to have enough my rifle ammo. I switched to the Giwar, or how the hell, I don't know how you pronounce it. Ah! He's so creepy! Come on, refill your ammo, dude. Come on, just refill your ammo. Let's just run over here. I should have kept hitting him while he was doing that. He takes that pause after he swings that chainsaw around. But you gotta get him in the head first. Whoa! Oh, he's still coming. Okay, get down here. Get down here, get down here. Oh, he's gonna run after me. But then he sticks it in the ground. Good Lord, when's he gonna fucking die? Or does he? Pistol ammo? Pistol ammo. Fuck you and your pistol ammo. We need to search around here and see if there's ammo or something. That one room where the chainsaw dude was doesn't look very inviting. There's ammo in there. I'll find it, I guess, but I'd rather find it here. Because that room's all creepy, oogie woogie. I don't like that room. A quick look, maybe we'll find a bottle or two? I don't know. Do we have a safe room, for fuck's sake? Please? Please? Here's that. Good lord, this game is messed up. Okay, it looks like there might be some ammo and stuff in there. Let's see, let's see how many gold bars do I have? I have 2. I've been too frantic and freaked out in this level to even bother looking for anything. Maybe up here? Maybe there's a bottle somewhere? Wait a minute. Are you hearing anything weird? Sounds like a banging menu. Okay. Let's get my shotgun ready just in case one of these guys decides to pop up and freak me out. Okay, we got more shotgun. This is messed up. Flesh and bone or mine to own. And he's all sitting in there cutting them up. They really got the kind of like the impact of horror in disturbing factor is right up there, man. I swear. And what am I doing? I'm having a couple of honey roasted peanuts here. Gotta keep my strength up. I do not have very much. Damn. Got a landmine. I do not have very much of my rifle ammo, which is very unfortunate. God knows what's going to happen now. I know one thing, I'm searching these grounds first before I go into this building here. What are you? What do you got in your hand? A shovel? Great. Stay down, bitch. Ah, fuck. Top of your head's missing, man. You're just gonna die. Just lay down and take it. Alright. Oh. Colt ammo. That's all I'm getting? There we go. Got a little something, something. What? Nazis are all sorts of twisted people. I never liked them to begin with, so I guess it doesn't matter. We're gonna rid the world of them. I got this horrible feeling about this. Just absolutely horrible. Okay. My nose. My nose. What? The hell was that? And why do I have this here? What? What the hell's going on? Please say that's rifle ammo. Oh god, thank you. And let's see. Got hand grenades are full now. Nice. You know, a real actual safe room or a save point would have been fucking awesome, but you just can't seem to give me that, can you? I'm just going to kind of look around really quick for a bottle, maybe. Just really quick. I mean, I don't want to take my guard off here at all. This place is deadly. Extremely deadly. So there's a landing up here. I've got a bad feeling about this. Being one of those fire demon guys, which are much worse in my opinion than summoners. Much worse. Anything out there? Even the tip of that? Nothing? Nothing? Rude. I even searched for something and you don't give me nothing. Alright. Whoa. Oh God, no. Oh God, no. Oh God. Okay. Well, could you at least translate Jafar? Jafar? Really? From Aladdin? Jafar Ascrambunos. Ascrambuns. Ascrabuns. I have no idea what that means. Thank you, game. Again. Okay, this is looking like it's going to be all sorts of fucked up. So, I'm going to stop it for now. We'll continue from here. I got through that mess of bullshit. I'm really glad I did. I'm not really thrilled about this area. So, I'll see you next time here in this lovely section of the game. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a like and favorite if you did, and I will see you in the next episode. Hope you have a fantastic day.